Buenos días, clase de español. This is a quick video about a verb in español called ser. And ser is what's called an irregular verb. It doesn't follow regular changes. Later on, you're going to learn about regular verbs. And ser happens to be an irregular verb, so it doesn't follow any of those kind of rules. Anyway, the verb ser is super useful in any language. First of all, let's figure out what does el verbo ser even mean. Ser in English means to be. Now, we don't usually use it in this form. For example, we know these pronouns in Español. We just wrote them down. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, ustedes, ellos, and ellas. We've seen those pronouns. But if I wanted to say I, and I wanted to use the verb ser in English, I say I be. Now, we never say I be in English. We would say I am. So even in English, this word be, to be, changes. Okay? So in Espanol, we have the same thing. We're going to be changing it. So if I wanted to say I am, you've already done this in class, hopefully today. And what it means is yo, or how to change it is yo soy. Now the word soy in Espanol just means am, as in I am. Yo soy. And let's write down what it means in English. I am. Make sure that when you take notes here that you write these boxes out, like what I'm doing here. Just to make sure that you understand the concept here. This is called a conjugation chart. So let's do tú here. To be able to say you and then you be, well, we don't say you be. We usually say you are. So our question actually was, ¿Cómo eres? And that means, what are you like? And so to be able to say you are is tú eres, like this. And again, it means you are. And I'll write that down. Now, in case you forgot to, this you is informal. Okay? You are. And we usually use this word right here, eres, in the question. ¿Cómo eres? What are you like? See? Or what do you look like? The next one is in the he and she form and in the you formal form. You notice we put these three together. Okay, this little slash between them, just separating each one of those. So if we wanted to say you, we wanted to use this you, formal, or he, or she. To be able to say he or she is, in Español, is a super easy word. It kind of looks like the word in Inglés, and it is the word es. So let's write that down right here. Usted, él, ella, es. Actually, let's put it, add it to here. And in English, what does that mean? Well, if you're going to use él or ella, it means he or she is. Now remember, we also have another word right here. It means you formals. So this also is you formal are. So if you wanted to use the usted instead of the tú, you'll notice what happened here. Usted goes with es. Tú goes with eres. That's an important thing to notice there. Cool. Just two more to go. We have nosotros. It means we. To be able to say we are, we say nosotros somos. Nosotros somos means we are. Let's write that down here. We are. And the last one, to be able to say they, which is ellos, or they, ellas, a group of girls, or to be able to say y'all, are. In Español, we use the word son. Ustedes son, ellos son, or ellas son. You choose one of them. And what it means is they are. Or you plural, or y'all are. Let's put y'all there. Y'all or they are. Cool? All right, so that is the verb ser in the present tense, the 5 different forms of how to use ser. Make sure you write down the notes and then take the little quizzes that come after this. Adiós, hasta la vista.